Cook fried chicken drumstick recipe without boneless legs. Ito po ang mga ingredient: salt, lemon juice, onion powder, sugar, oyster sauce, soy sauce, garlic powder, seasoning, paprika, oyster sauce, salt, black pepper, sugar, garlic, onion powder, seasoning, lemon juice, paprika powder. Mix natin. Chicken legs without boneless to mix the all-purpose flour with cornstarch flour. Masarap to. Kompleto ang ingredient na marinate sa loob ng 2 oras. Ang gas, kailangan nasa tamang mataas ng temperature. Tapos maghanda tayo ng pan at lagyan natin ng oil. Let's start cooking. Fried chicken legs without bones. Drumstick recipe. Sarap kainin to guys dahil nanggal ko yung buto at saka malambot yung karne ng manok. Wow, napakaganda tingnan yung chicken legs without boneless. Baliktad natin side by side. Ito na. Kitang-kita na yung kulay brown. Yung hita ng manok, guys. Nag-iba ng kulay. At saka maganda tingnan. Perfect. Yung pagkakulay brown guys. Iba talaga kapag nilagyan mo ng magandang klaseng brown ng all-purpose at saka yung cornstarch flour. Perfect ang kanyang pagluto guys. Yung fried chicken legs without bones. Drumstick recipe. Talagang kitang-kita ang kanyang magandang kulay brown. Malapit na tumaluto guys. Sarap ito kainin dahil malambot ang kanyang karne. Wow! Klase ang pagluto ko guys. Perfect talaga para sa akin. Talagang kulay brown.